Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Pirhot Maranatha Siburian with NIM 3243111008. Subject English for Civic Education. Here I will briefly explain about the culture in Indonesia, especially the Toba Batak. Okay guys, the first traditional Toba Batak food. 1. Arsik fish. 2. Gomak noodles. 3. Lepet. 4. Buffalo milk products. The second, unique custom and ceremonies. Tradition Mambosuri. The term Mambosuri, making full, is a ritual of giving food to the wife parents to the prospective mother whose pregnancy has entered the age of 7 months. Symbolically, this tradition gives meaning to protect the prospective mother and maintain the health of baby, not only her health of the prospective mother and her child, but also the health of the entire family who have attended the ceremony. This traditional event is also shared off so that every obstacle that hinders the journey of human life can be warded off. In the Toba Batak ethnic community, it is called Mambosuri, the purpose of which is to foster the hope of mother and her prospective baby being healthy. The background to the implementation of Mambosuri 7 months for the Toba Batak tribe is carried off as a means as to overcome anxiety because in ancient times life was very simple and even said to be very inadequate, resulting in many cases of death among mothers who were pregnant with their first child, because the case cause fear in pregnant women. The 3. Culture tourist. Geosets Pinsur. The goal is to see and know the amazing natural charm which makes it a very popular tourist destination. One of the main attractions is Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake in the world. Lake Toba has a natural charm that is second to none. When the sun sets, the sky changes color beautifully, with the surrounding mountains creating a stunning and eye-catching view. Seeing the sunset at Lake Toba is an unforgettable moment. In order to meet the needs of tourists visiting Geosasi Pinsur, various comfortable and adequate facilities are available, from luxury hotel to traditional cultural accommodation. There are accommodation options that suit your preference and budget. In addition, there are also restaurants and food stalls that serve delicious dishes typical of the area. The 4. Traditional music and dance. 1. Musical instrument. 1. Ogung. 2. Garantung. 3. Sulim. 4. Balobat. 5. Sarun Bolon. 6. Gondang. 7. Arbab. 8. Tegening. Tortor. Recorded by history, Tortor dance is the dance of the Batak community that has existed since the 13th century. At the time, this dance was already used as a dance offering of ancestral spirits. Tortor dance also has the meaning of symbol in huge, varied and meaningful movement, having meaning mutual respect, and respect between sisters is in the form a good relationship, so that the elements of relatives in Batak like hula hula, hang, sabutuha, smarga, and boru interpreted the Tortor movement. In the past, Tortors often used property, shoes, and status in Tortor dance shows. Tortor dance as unique, namely in its ceremonial, which is accompanied by gondang music. Because before the traditional event is held, the host Asunuhutan will hold a special event making tuani gondang, with the aim of asking of blessings for the gondang sabagunan, so that it is also almed and God to bless the event. 3-4 Tortor dance and gondang music are like coins that cannot be spared. The 5. Bahasa daerah dan sejarah. Bahasa daerah dan sejarahnya. Among the yearly observation of the Toba Batak language made by people from outside the Batak community were the notes of Baptist missionaries, namely Nathan Ward, Evan Mears, and Richard Burton, who visited the Silindung area in 3-8-4. They considered that the Batak language and similarities with the Malay language. In substance, 1 in the 3 words in the Batak language is the same or similar to Malay, so that it can be recognized by Malay language experts. Although adjective verbs and adverbs have very less difference, change in verbs have the same principles as those applied to Malay. Batak has more prefixes prefixes and affixes the Malay, especially for noun verbs, even particles, to meet the articulation needs of the gentle and the friendly Batak people. One the most striking word change is the affix hon in Batak, which is used the same as the affix kan in Malay. The influence of Sanskrit on the Batak language is greater than on Malay because of the absence of Arabic derivatives. The difference with Malay are increasingly apparent in the variety of everyday conversation. Hatahop compared to the variety of written language Hatahabaitan, because the letters are different from Sanskrit. The Batak language writing starts from left to right. In the section, the community, the structure of Putri Umpasa in Batak is also similar to Pantun in Malay Batak written tradition. Terima kasih. Thank you guys.